Wow, that's some coverage. Are you kidding me? Crazy, that's insane. Hi guys and welcome. We are up close today. We are doing a up close makeup tutorial today, so you guys can see everything super up close, super HD. We are doing a full face of new makeup, a bunch of new goodies from 2021 and some from late 2020. So if you want to see me playing with makeup super up close, make sure you keep on watching. I want you guys to see every imperfection on my face and how the power of makeup can cover everything up. So I'm so excited. I have so many new products in front of me. I'm so excited to try everything. So I washed my face is clean, and we're gonna start with serum. I got these from Wishful. This is their new serum. This is the Thirst Trap Juice serum. They had like a mask, a face mask. Huda says that this is that mask but in a serum, so we are going to apply that first. Smells like skincare. I think like Huda is starting to like listen to what people say and actually not put a lot of like fragrance in her products. Feels nice. And now it's time for moisturizer, and these I just got yesterday. This is the new Glam Glow Super Water Gel Oil-Free Moisturizer. Apply evenly to clean face and neck, morning and night. So let me open it in front of the camera so you guys can see. It's like a jelly kind of moisturizer. Going to apply a little bit. I like that it's oil-free. That's amazing because I have an oily T-zone, so feels really great on the skin. So refreshing. Oh, it does feel amazing. Then for foundation, I'm gonna be trying the new Huda Beauty Full Filter Luminous Matte Foundation. This is like a new, better formula version of the original Full Filter foundation. I've tried this once. I did a test of this foundation, so this will be my second time trying it. And this is supposed to be a matte foundation, but with a luminous kind of finish at the same time. And I'm going to be using the shade 220 Neutral. I'm going to apply a little bit into the back of my hand first, like so. Spread it out and then apply it. So I applied 2 pumps of foundation to half of my face, and this is in the shade 220. Last time I tried the 230 and it was a little bit like it oxidized and it got a little bit dark, but this one I think it's a better match than the 230. And I like the finish of this foundation. Let's see how this works for me today. But if you want to see that video, you will have to click on this little link that I'm gonna leave here so you can see what I think about this foundation, because I did like a wear test and I did a comparison with the original Full Filter foundation. So make sure you go check that video out. Look at this side of my face. I mean, are you kidding me? Whoa, that's some coverage. Let's see how it covers these blemishes right here. Wow. This is fragrance free. It's supposed to be transfer free, 24-hour wear. If you live in a hot humidity country, you can really test this out. When it comes to foundations, I feel like one try is not enough. I feel like I need to try it at least 2 times or 3 before I really know if I like it or not. So I'm really happy to be trying this foundation again today in this video, so I can have a better idea of what I think about it. And last time I applied to half of my face, and I really like to do that. I want to wear it all over my face, so I really know if it works. So today is kind of an update for that other video. I will give you guys an update later when I'm finished with my makeup to see how it looks and how I feel about it. So when it comes to concealer, I don't have a brand new large concealer, but the newest one that I have is this NARS. This is a soft matte concealer. I think that soft matte will be a better name for this Huda Beauty foundation. Now I'm applying this concealer with the Soft Blend Concealer F64 from Sigma brushes, Sigma Beauty. I like to blend it out with the sponge, so I'm just gonna use that to blend. That's a pretty concealer. I also tried this once or twice. Oh, that's really pretty. I don't have any new powder, blush, bronzer, so I'm just gonna use my favorites. And for cream bronzer, I'm gonna be using the Butter Biscuit from Fenty Beauty. Just gonna go in with that. I love this because it looks so natural. And for blush, I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Cheeks Out Crush and Cupid blush. I just like love cream products. I love it. I just love the look of it. Now to set the rest of my face, I'm going in with the Pro Filter Soft Matte Powder Foundation in 180. This is their new powder foundation. I've used this like twice and I really liked it. So I'm gonna use like a big fluffy brush and I'm going to apply all over to really set everything in place. And I'm not going to use bronzer. I'm just gonna leave it like this. I really like the effect that cream bronzer leaves on me. Now this foundation really is pretty and it leaves the skin looking so flawless. I really like it. And for highlighter, I have this highlighter from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is their Eye Style highlighter. This is from the spring collection and the packaging is so stunning. I cannot wait to try this highlighter on me. This is what it looks on the inside. It's a white packaging, really similar to the Amrezy highlighter, the packaging, but this is white. Let me open it up. Oh my god, it's so stunning. Let me swatch it. That's really pretty. Let's go and test it out. Oh, do you see that? That's so pretty. Let me blend it out. Apply a little bit on the brow bone. My brush is so old, but I love it. This is the ABH A23. I love this highlighter brush. So I've had it for years now. Highlighter is on and I'm obsessed with it. Love the color, love how it's looking. I applied way too much, but I just wanted to test it out. Now it's time for brows, and I actually have a new product to test out on my brows. This is the ABH Brow Freeze Brow Styling Wax, and I've tried this today in a brow video that I did and I was amazed, and you guys are going to see what I mean. So this is like wax for your brows, but believe me, it works so well. Like, this is the best thing I've ever tried for my brows. I used to use like hair glue and this is better. This is definitely better. Just look at how my brows are. Now watch and see how this is going to turn out. Just like that. I mean, look at the before, the after. So easy, and it really holds the hairs in place. It really does. Now I don't have any brow pen or anything, so I'm just going to use the brow pen from ABH. And for eyeshadow, I'm going to use the new eyeshadow palette from Juvia's Place. This is in collaboration with Vanessa, and Vanessa is so talented. I'm so proud of her. She's just beautiful. Her content is top quality. I gag every time I see her pictures and her videos. Really amazing quality, and she's beautiful, super talented. I'm really happy that she made the collab with Juvia's Place. I mean, the packaging, this whole situation is just beautiful. Let me show you guys what the palette looks like on the inside. There, so this is the collaboration. It's 6 different shades. I love it. I love these 2 shades right here. When I look at this palette, I know that these are the shades that I want to use right away. I really like the color. I really like the color combo. You can do so many different eye looks with these like 6 shades, and I want to do something colorful and fun because you know me, I love color. So I'm going to like prep my eyelids and move into the eye look. I'm gonna start by applying this shade right here. This is the shade Busy. Now I'm gonna go into the shade Stush. Now on the center, I'm going to apply Aqua. I don't know how to pronounce that, but I think it's that way. Oh, that's pretty. And I'm going to apply the shade Aqua under my waterline as well. And I'm gonna blend it out with the shade Slush. Now I'm gonna go with a little bit of this shade right here. This is extra. It does look pink, but at the same time looks gold, so I really like that. I'm gonna go with a little bit of that on my brow bone. So pretty. And on right there. I'm really happy with how this look turned out. It's a beautiful burgundy orange smoky eye. I really like it. And now I'm going to apply lashes, and I have these lashes right here. I'm not sure how new they are, but they are from Lava Lashes. I never tried them before, so I'm going to try them today. Lava Lashes is an indie brand, and they are the sweetest people ever on Instagram. They comment all my posts all the time, and they are so kind, and they were super sweet to send me some lashes, so I'm really excited to try them out. I love them. It gives me such a lifted eye look. I don't know, I just love it. They are so fluffy, flare, everything that I like in lashes, these give me. And the glue that came with just like really worked. It's latex free. This is also from them. Now it's time for lips, and I'm going to be using a combo of the Laura Lee Los Angeles. This is the Naked matte lipstick. I don't know how new this is, but it's new for me. Just got it from them in PR. And we also have the new ABH Glass Crystal Lip Gloss. This is from their spring collection. So I'm going to use the matte lipstick and then the gloss on top. I don't want to use a lip liner. I want it to be like a full light nude lip. This is such a beautiful shade of nude for me. I feel like it works perfectly with my skin tone. And now I'm going to apply the ABH Clear Crystal Gloss. The look is done, you guys. I am really obsessed with how this look turned out. I'm really impressed with the eyeshadow, the brows, the base, everything I used today I really liked. And even the foundation, I really like the foundation way more this time than the last time that I used it. It's really looking so flawless. I don't know what happened last time, but broke out a lot. But this time, it's really looking nice. And I love, like, I mean, this shade right here is just such a pretty shade. See, when the light hits, I just love it. I love this look. Pairing it with makeup makes me so relaxed and so happy, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. Let me know in the comments down below which makeup product did you like a lot and you want to get, or something that you didn't like. And yeah, give this video a thumbs up if you like watching, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And thank you so much for being here and watching the video. If you're still here, I love you. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you on my next one. Bye bye.